If you don't do a lot of home cooking, you might not know much about the exotic spice turmeric. The colorful seasoning is derived from the roots of the turmeric plant and is used mostly in curry dishes to add flavor. But the benefits of turmeric go far beyond enhancing Asian food. Turmeric has actually been used as a natural remedy for years, thanks to its countless medicinal properties. Stay tuned for the full list of health benefits of using turmeric to supplement your diet. Number 1. Reduces depression and PTSD symptoms. One of the issues with the current non-natural depression and PTSD medications is that they can cause other damaging side effects to patients. Turmeric is a fantastic natural alternative to these medications. It contains curcumin, which in studies has been proven to reduce depression symptoms. It has also been found to help antidepressants work better and treat disorders involving fear memories, such as PTSD. Number 2. Prevents gallstones. Gallbladder pain is highly unpleasant and is often difficult to safely treat with medications in the long run. One of the best natural approaches to pain relief for gallbladder disease sufferers is turmeric. Studies have found that turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile and helps the gallbladder to empty itself. The curcumin found inside turmeric also helps to naturally relieve pain and inflammation caused by gallbladder disease. Number 3. Protects the liver. When it comes to the health of our body's internal organs, turmeric is highly effective in making sure they function as they should do. The antioxidant properties of turmeric are so powerful that some studies show evidence of it preventing the liver from being damaged by toxins. People who take strong drugs for disorders such as diabetes may be able to protect their liver from long-term medication use simply by adding turmeric to their diets. Number 4. Relieves flu symptoms. On a more basic level, turmeric has been proven to help us feel at our healthiest on a day-to-day basis by relieving common cold and flu symptoms. Alongside eating ginger biscuits and drinking honey, a common natural cold remedy is to make yourself a beverage of warm milk with a teaspoon of turmeric. This is said to contain all the anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral elements to cure a cold. Number 5. Reduces plaque buildup. Turmeric doesn't just help to cure mental and physical illness, it's also great for maintaining dental health. One study found that turmeric can prevent gingivitis, a disease of the gums that can lead to swelling, bleeding, and tooth loss. The spice's curcumin content enables it to remove plaque, bacteria, and inflammation from the teeth and gums in the same way that a mouthwash can. Number 6. Aids recovery after stroke. Stroke patients have been given new hope in the most unexpected form, with scientific research concluding that turmeric can repair brain cells that have been damaged by stroke. It's the curcumin inside turmeric that feeds and supports the mechanisms that protect and regenerate brain cells after a stroke. More research is needed to determine exactly how turmeric may be used to the benefit of stroke patients in the future, but current studies show great promise. Number 7. Relieves IBS symptoms. Not only does turmeric promote healthy digestion, it has also been found to treat a number of digestive issues, including IBS. Research shows that by adding just a tablespoon of the spice to their daily diet, IBS sufferers should experience significant relief from symptoms. The spice's anti-inflammatory properties soothe inflammation and prevent abnormal muscle movements. Number 8. Protects DNA. DNA damage is caused by environmental factors such as UV rays and sunlight, as well as oxidative stress in the body. It's difficult to repair DNA once the damage has been done, but one natural compound that has proven highly successful is turmeric. The spice demonstrated its ability to cut DNA damage in half in a 2015 study, with just a pinch needed to take effect. Number 9. Lowers high blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the most common ailments that people across the world are diagnosed with. Left untreated, it can lead to a heart attack, but many people don't realize that high blood pressure can be entirely prevented with turmeric. Turmeric's antioxidant properties are responsible for regulating blood pressure in the body, as well as treating damage caused to the arteries by high blood pressure. Number 10. Acts as a natural painkiller. Before you pop the pills for pain-related health wobble, consider a natural alternative instead. There's a reason why turmeric is used widely to make medicine. It's known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity that can promote healing. Some reports even cite turmeric as having the same healing power as many over-the-counter remedies and prescription medications. Number 11. Prevents obesity. There is no certainty that taking lots of turmeric will help you to lose weight, but it has been proven to reduce the inflammation associated with obesity. Your body will lose weight more easily when it doesn't have to fight inflammation. One study on rats found that the curcumin in turmeric suppresses fat tissue growth altogether, but similar research is yet to be carried out on humans. Number 12. Improves skin health. Maintaining healthy skin isn't easy, especially when we're exposed to so many harmful pollutants in the air on a daily basis. Luckily, you don't have to resort to strong medication to treat acne or other skin problems. Again, it's turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties that make it such a good treatment for maintaining healthy skin. Turmeric targets the pores, calming irritation and even reducing scarring. Number 13. Prevents certain cancers. Unfortunately, all of us will be affected by cancer in some way during our lives. It's important that we keep working to find natural preventions to the disease, and turmeric is one of these. Turmeric is promoted as an alternative complementary cancer treatment, with evidence suggesting that it can kill cancer cells. As inflammation is a cause of some cancers, turmeric can also prevent the formation of cancer cells with its anti-inflammatory properties. Number 14. Natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is related to much more than cancer. It has been linked to a number of diseases and disorders, including infection, heart disease, injury, and autoimmune disorders. Turmeric can be used to directly treat symptoms of inflammation, such as pain, redness, and swelling, because of its many anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is actually more effective at preventing inflammation than treating it, which is why it's so beneficial to take it as a daily supplement. Number 15. Improves brain function. Experiencing brain fog and wondering how to treat it? Incredibly, turmeric has proved itself in some studies to improve the mood and memory of older adults. The spice's compound curcumin can protect the brain and treat symptoms of Alzheimer's, which causes irreversible memory loss. In a study conducted on humans, the subjects who took curcumin twice daily showed a 28% improvement in memory tests. Number 16. Reduces menopause symptoms. All women experience menopause later on in life, but there is surprisingly little information on how to treat common symptoms of the condition. Turmeric has been labeled the menopause superfood for its ability to beat menopause by balancing estrogen levels in the body. It's been found to boost heart health and even reduce depression, both of which are great benefits for women experiencing menopause. Number 17. Benefits HIV sufferers. HIV is still a major concern in some developing countries and is one of the most difficult lifelong illnesses to treat. Promisingly, when scientists in India combined curcumin from turmeric to HIV-infected cells in a laboratory, the virus stopped replicating. In the future, it looks like we may be able to use turmeric alongside other forms of treatment to prevent HIV symptoms from worsening. Number 18. Anti-seizure properties. Epilepsy is incredibly hard to manage and control successfully. Most current medications are frowned upon because of their side effects, and that's where turmeric comes in. The spice reduces spontaneous seizures because of its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. Turmeric can also heal damage to cognitive functions following an epileptic seizure. Research suggests it may offer epilepsy sufferers a natural treatment without the side effects of the currently used medications. Number 19. Prevents cystic fibrosis. In recent studies on rats, turmeric has proved to be effective at increasing the survival rate of those with the genetic defect that may lead to cystic fibrosis. Following on from this promising finding, more studies are currently being conducted on how exactly turmeric can prevent cystic fibrosis and end the disease once and for all. Conclusion. Turmeric is often labeled a miracle spice because of its numerous health and wellness properties, and it's rightly earned its reputation as a superfood. The internet is awash with stories of real people who claim that the bright yellow spice has helped heal their illnesses, and there's plenty of proven scientific evidence to silence the skeptics. If you're yet to see the benefits of turmeric for yourself, buy some from your local supermarket or health store. It's easy to add turmeric to curry dishes, or if you're not a fan of the taste, you can take it in tablet form as a supplement. Turmeric is cheap to purchase, making it a simple way to naturally improve your health in the long term. I hope you have enjoyed this video on the health benefits of turmeric. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 amazing health benefits of turmeric water, including skin, weight loss, and hair. Thanks for watching and bye for now.